In this video, I'm going to show you one of the coolest LLM out there, which is AudioPaLM. AudioPaLM excels in speech recognition, translation, and transcription. It uses PaLM's to pre-training for enhanced processing and surpasses current tools in speech translation. Way back, I did another video on ecoute, but I believe that this AudioPaLM is going to surpass that in terms of transcription. Let me show you few of the examples of this audio palm. Now, if you go to their website, which I will post the link in video's description, there are a lot of examples plus an abstract from their paper, and then there's some diagrams as how it works. And you can read it at your leisure, and it is very nicely described. Now, if you scroll down a little, you will see various examples. One of the greatest thing is that it is going through the high resource languages to the low resource languages. In this example, on the left hand side, this is the original audio in the CVSST template, and then it is translating it in the ground truth target, and then one target translation or conversion is in the English accent, and then the second one is in the source accent, which is really cool. So let me play one of them to see how it works.
Was sieht Kamera 1 gerade?
Okay, so now let's see how it looks in English accent.
What does camera 1 see right now?
Okay, now let's check it is in the source language accent.
What does camera 1 see right now?
Pretty cool. Okay, now let's check the same thing in the medium resource languages. And in this example, one of the coolest things is that you can alternate between these languages. So let me go with this one. And let me play again the same one in the original.
Patrulheiro cavalga pela cidade.
Cool. Now let's play it in the English accent.
A policeman ride around the city.
Nice. Now let's play it in the source language accent.
A policeman ride around the city.
So this is one thing which it can do. If you keep coming down, another great thing it can do is simply do the transcription from audio to text. So let me play this one.
Leider hast du nicht genau das gesagt, was da stand.
And you can see it has uh, transcribed it pretty well. And same goes for the medium resource languages and the rest of the low resource languages. And then it can also, you can use it to transcribe original audios, and which is the similar to what we saw above with the all medium low resource languages. I hope that you liked it. Soon I'm also going to do an installation video of this large language model on which is based on Palm 2. Thanks for listening. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.